Out the back of the Cotter today. I have no idea about this area. I've only been out once and only did a tiny bit of it. Ledbrook's done a little bit more than I have. I know there's a lot of people in Canberra that have done a lot of this place, so we don't know where we're going. We're just going to see what we can find and film the good bits, I guess.
That was a bit gnarly.
Well, I can bump that. Did you just bump it? You just hit it?
I just went over it, yeah.
Getting rained on.
I know. We're on it. Let's try it. We're not going up it.
Can't get up there.
No. I don't know whether we're going to come back this way or I do remember there being the road that went pretty much parallel with it.
That's the pipeline one that Shano drove, hey?
Yeah. Let's go have a look, I'll show you.
I gotta go get my GoPro.
GoPro? Oh, down the hill. Why don't you tell me?
Yeah! Jamie's doing the runner in his shorts and t-shirt again. All year round, shorts and t-shirt.
Hell yeah! Hey, let's for clothes. Did we get up this one? Shit, no, we didn't try this one.
Ah, there's boulder there, yeah.
Remember I had those big steps in it and we went, maybe not.
So I remember getting to the top, and I think we walked up it.
We did, we walked it. And that's where on the other side it's actually bolted and gated. Before, it wasn't quite like that. You actually had to, it was worse than that. Actually, that doesn't look as bad as what it was before. Before, it was like as loose as hell. You walk up there and it's like, oh my god, look how big those steps are.
Yeah, they're
like,
huge.
How big did Shano do that other one up there? Like, I don't know.
Look at that, is that the actual pipe?
I think so. That.
Steep as. We'll go somewhere else. So the weather's gone shit on us, but we're still having a look around. Way out the back of the Cotter now. Look at that sucker up there. So that there is a trail that goes up to one that's up higher, but that's not drivable anymore. There's a new one here, but I don't think that's legal. Is this going to be slippery? Yeah. You're fishtailing down there. Oh. Drifting. Have a look at those tyres.
Concentrate.
Right.
Okay, yours did a lot better than mine.
No, it still slipped, but I went into the hole there. I stayed in the rut.
Oh, I tried to stay there. I just slid though everywhere.
Yeah.
My tyres are so shit.
I got shots of your tyres covered in
Yeah,
mud.
that's what yours are.
Yeah, they just baked it.
Yeah, literally just mud all the way through it. No wonder you freaking can't stop. Sliding the bastard.
Sun's back, rain's gone. Now let's see if we can get some tracks, some fun stuff. So we're coming to a spot where Levbrook reckons he's got a couple of waypoints that he's set previously, so we're going to drop down in here, have a look. We're kind of up pretty high.
I'd say they've done a bit of pruning, so hopefully it's open.
Dog run, we're calling this one dog run.
Yeah. It doesn't seem as hard as what it did before, does it?
Nah.
Seems alright.
Let's see. Old dog run. He's going to have to stop, because that is messed up.
Holy shit balls.
Is it all good up there, or?
Yeah, it looks alright. That was no mode.
No mode.
No mode. Oh, that's a mode!
Go computer! Stay hard right.
What have we done, Paul?
Come to a bit of a dead end here.
Oh.
We'll have to go back down.
So we're heading to one hill right now that we know of, and it's sort of been graded recently, but there's still a few ruts in it. So in this wet, we'll see how it goes. Could be interesting, and then we've got one more after that. Nice little track for me to roll up now. Hopefully my tyres are a little bit better than his, I don't know, we'll see.
You didn't know you can't see a rainbow unless the sun's behind you?
No, I
Did
didn't
you know that?
No.
There you go.
That's science.
Science.
He just makes up half the time.
Yeah,
True.
He sounds convincing.
One of the best views. Dedicated cameraman.
Yeah.
Lugging shit everywhere.
I'll shag though.
It's a big hill. Are you gonna go first?
You want me to go first?
Yeah, you can go first.
Okay, I'll go first.
Looks pretty,
Looks
I think it looks alright.
Looks slippery though. We'll find out in a minute.
Sure will. Last spot, last hill. Getting dark, getting late.
Looks a bit slippery.
Holy shit, that's slippery.
I'm just sliding.
You're on a water bar, hang on, I'll get down.
I can't even move the grass.
Are you bogged? You can go into that water bar, but then it'll just be...
That's gonna be soft as eh?
I know, I can't even like... Nowhere, man.
No, those tyres are shit, Paul.
I think you're gonna have to go to the top and I might have to winch off you up there. I'll run out the winch and the extender rope. I've got an extender, I think.
Do you reckon you gotta get up?
No, you have to go the other way.
No?
You can't go this way.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Or do you reckon go back down?
Down and around.
Okay, so that one didn't pan out so well. I'm gonna do the loop around to go to the top of that hill and try and skull drag Ledbrook up there.
I gotta get Louis at the top and then hopefully I can winch off his winch and 2 extension straps. Hopefully we can reach each other.
Don't know if this is gonna work. Hey! Fingers crossed here.
We can go up with what we got, I guess, but how much have you got?
I'm full extension.
Okay, one in then.
Alright, I'm starting.
Just watch those ropes, Jamie.
Still going.
Go on, Louis. Keep going, keep going. Keep on. About 4 metres, Paul.
I reckon you can drive from there.
Keep going, keep on. Can you drive?
I can for a bit, but it's gonna stop. I can tell I'm full, my tyres are full. If you grab it, Jamie, I'll just go till I stop.
Just go full noise. Then hopefully it clears some out. I'll get out of the way.
Oh, I don't think I'll make it, man. Honestly.
Alright, winch to winch.
I'll get to the top of this water bar, then maybe you may have to move.
Yep, that's it for sure. Let's do it. Nice. Wow.
Epic.
Epic.
Far out. Lucky there's 2 of us, honestly. Like,
2 cars.
yeah. Like otherwise we would have been at every
tree all the way up, trying to bloody. That would have been a fight. And it wouldn't have been a straight pull either.
No, it was off the angle.
Far out. These suck in any dirt, any rain. Look at them. They're slicks. Have a look at that. Look. Don't go to the ball parade. Negative. Oh, lesson learned.
Best or worst of Canberra. We're going home.
Hell yeah, we're still going to do a zigzag to get
It was a
home.
long way back. It was
Lucky it wasn't raining, Christ.
yeah, that was slippery and muddy.
More. I'm even screeching, that's how bloody exciting it was.